So hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi. So today is day 4 of my real English journey. As you all know, I am not cutting any parts of my video. So I know I missed yesterday video, but my health was really not good. But the good thing is today I am really fit and fine. So yeah, just start video. Okay, so I want to say something, one more thing. I know I speak very slowly, so if you are get bored in watching my video, you can watch my video in a 2x speed. Right now I speak very slowly, so if you are watching my video 2x, you feel better. I think I also watch my video in a 2x speed. That's why I am saying you feel better. And the second one thing, I haven't time too much, so I don't waste my time to making a fancy thumbnail. So wo- this work this time I skipping part of this. Okay, so okay, just get into the point whatever I want to say today. So I heard someone said grammar isn't important to grammar isn't important to speaking English, but I disagree from that point. I think you also heard somewhere and anyone's, so that person said that, grammar doesn't matter too much. So I want to say something. Just think about it. If you are want to make a home, so first you need a material, and you don't get just want to I want to okay, just okay, let's start again. If you are really want to make a your home, so first thing you have to material you need, first make a basic level. So in a English, grammar is your basic level to improve your English, and vocabulary is a break yes. And so it's a help to improve your basic and know how to structure your sentence. So I want to say something. So I disagree that point. Don't matter grammar is really matter to improve your English, right? And so yesterday I didn't practice, that why I today I really very fumbling, and I can't speak very well today. I think practice is a very important, and I want to say something very, I want to describe something, but I can't do this because one day I skipped, so I I forget whatever I want to say. Okay, so this is a day fourth, I think. Yeah, this is a day fourth. So I have completed day fourth, but today I didn't feel good while making video because only speak in a I think 4 minute isn't I okay. So next day I will definitely trying to describe something better, because my goal is simple. I want you understand 100% what I am saying. So thank you for watching my video, and thank you for supporting me. I know I am the stage of learning, and take care of yourself. Bye bye, meet you at day 5th. Okay, bye.